Hey guys, I want you to stop turning down work just because you don't think you can recreate artwork from a screenshot. Watch this video. I made it just for you. Okay guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design an graphic for a t-shirt for a customer. In this particular video, a customer sent me an image, but it was just a screenshot from a computer screen. So let me show you guys what to do with something like this. What I usually do is, let me pull up. All right. Okay. Let's pull up. Food stamp. Not food stamp login. All right, we're gonna go to images. Okay, now what I do is, okay, you'll see a lot of food stamp images, right? Okay. Let's find a good quality one. All right, let's go back to the picture and see. Okay, so they had the whole food coupon. Let me see how this one is. It's not the full. Okay. Okay. All right, that one looks pretty good, but let's see if we can find a bigger file. So let's go to tools, go to size, and go to large. So okay. Let's see where did they pull this? Let me see. Okay. Let's go back. Okay. All right. Here is a good quality image. Wow. They put Obama on a food stamp. That's crazy. Okay. All right. So what we're going to do right here, we're going to save this image. And we're going to go back over to our program. Zoom out. We're going to import it. Okay. All righty. Now what we're going to do is we can go up to image. We're going to crop it. Yeah. Let's get all the way in. Take all that black off around the edge. Okay. All right. So here we go. We have a good image, which this is about 20 inches, and it's going on a 3X shirt. So let's do 13 by 19. Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do, all right, I like to use this program because it's more like Adobe Illustrator. It's just a sign making program. I've been using it so long, so I know how to use it pretty good. But let's go ahead and design this in Photoshop. So let's export this and we're going to save it as a PNG file. Food coupon. All right. Gonna save it. All right. And we're going to pull up Photoshop. We're going to do a new file. We're going to do 13 by 19. Create. I hope I'm not moving too fast, but I just want to show you guys how quick and easy you can do something like this. Let's go back to the image that she had, and let me see. Let's try to match this font. Okay. So, what kind of font is it? Okay. So, guys, when you need a font, this is the program that I go to find my fonts. It's called thefont.com. Okay, so you can find all type of fonts in here. So that particular font was, let me see, what type of style was it? Like an old school style. Let me see. Yeah. So just basically, something like this. So you can go ahead and pick, either one of these. Let's try this right here. Since it's going on a t-shirt, so I wanted to be kind of stylish. And try this one. And we're going to go with varsity and freshman. All right. So how you install fonts is, let me see, go up to download. Just say we're going to open this one right here. Just click on it, double click on it, hit install. Okay, go to the next one. Double click on it and install. Okay, now with with fonts, how they are installed, you have OTF files and you have TTF files. This particular one is a OTF file. Let me see. Go to the next one. Okay. See, on here you have TTF files. All right. So in this particular one, it's different styles of this one particular font. So you have that style. You have that style. I think this is the one that we were going with. So let's install that one. Let me see what else is on here. Oh, that's one with a shadow. That style. Okay, now this is the one. I think this one we were looking at. Let's go back. So yeah, this is the one right here. So we're going to install that one. And so what Windows does, once you install it, it installs in a font file for Windows. So you won't have to go looking for it. It automatically pulls up in the program where all your fonts are stored at. So let's move to the next one. Which one we downloaded? I think it was this one. Okay. All right. I like this one better. So. All right. So let's move over to Photoshop. And we are going to open the file that we downloaded. All right, let's move this over to this page that we created, which is a 13 by 19. No, I want to undo that. So, all right. So basically, we are going to make this 12 inches. I'll center it right here. And let's go down to your fonts. And we are going to, what was the name of it? Not that one. Dark College. Okay. Okay, so what did it say? Started from the bottom. STARTED. Okay. All right. I'm going to select that. And let's go up to Dark College. Right here is the font that we use. So okay. And what we're going to do is let's duplicate. Let's duplicate it, bring it down, and we're going to go back to the text tool over here, and just going to change this to bottom. Okay. All right, let's go back. Okay, the bottom. Sorry about that. Okay. Now, okay. All right. Now I see. Let me see if the customer said what color she wanted it to be. Let me check my messages. Give me 1 second. Okay. So, all right. So what they want to do is Okay. So what we're going to do is we are going to match this color. We're going to match this color brown. And how we're going to do it is go over here to this picker tool. See if we can pick out this color. All right, let's zoom in a little bit. All right, so you can go up here and zoom in, or you can hold down Control and hit the plus sign. All right. So we got the color chosen right here. Okay. We're going to go back and let's go back and select this. And we're going to change the color. Select this. Go up to the top. Change the color. Okay. All righty. So there we go. All right. Let me zoom back out a little bit. Control and a minus sign. All right. So there you go. A quick image that will print perfectly with DTF. All right. Now this is what the customer sent, and this is what we came up with. All right. So I think it looks good. So what I'll do is I'll just save it, and we're gonna save it as food coupon DTF. All right, I'm gonna save it as a PNG file, and that's it. And now all we have to do is just go into our DTF program, open up the image, rotate it, and print. So that's it. Just that easy. So what I'm gonna do is let me go back. Okay. Well, no, I think that's it. So what we're gonna do from here, we're just gonna print it out, and then we're gonna call the customer and have them pick it up. All right, guys. So right there, that's how easy it is. You know, when somebody sends you a picture of a screenshot, you know, just go online, Google it, see if you can find the image. I showed you how to find a good quality image. And then once you pull it into your program, you can style it and design it how you want it. So that's it. Now that's how you get to the money, the easy money. So that is one way you can set yourself aside from a lot of other people that have a hard time with designing things. All right, just basically ask your customer to give you an idea of what they want. Then just go online and find it. You know, 9 times out of 10, they're going to love it. And I actually think they're going to love this. They're going to love this. So, all right, guys, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.